your local machine by using Python. So it will all be organized in two sections. So the first section will be about like how to use Python to access web data. And first of all, we'll see how to retrieve web pages, and then we'll have mainly case studies. So case study about URL library, then how to parse web pages, and then we'll have a case study using Beautiful Soup. If you are already familiar with with the web scraping using Python, then probably you already know these two libraries, especially Beautiful Soup, which is like one of the most like widespread manners of accessing web data at the moment using Python. Secondly, we'll have like a second section which is about XML and JSON data, which is the format in which data normally comes after being decoded. And we will have, in these cases, 5 main sections. Again, mainly will be case studies, so not a lot of theory, but a lot of like hands-on practice. First of all, we'll see how data on the web looks like, and it will be mainly about introducing like two formats, XML and JSON, and then we'll have like two case studies to introduce what do these two formats look like XML and JSON. And then we'll go into some more detailed and complicated examples using case studies applied to geographic data in a format in which can be in this case called like GeoJSON or GeoXML. Very interesting. It's actually like some very interesting skills. So I think there is like a lot of usage for using these skills for the future. So there is a lot to learn, and if you are already familiar with what web scraping is, so you will find like this course as a good add-on onto your knowledge. If you instead like are expecting to be able to scrape any website after this course, then this is not the case. This will be like an introductory course which will build like foundation for your knowledge for building on top on that. But it will also like give you like a framework through which logically you will be able to understand um, like the structure of data on the web and be able to reapply these concepts for assessing how to scrape like some other data which is slightly more complicated than this. So I suggest yeah, we stop talking about like introductory stuff and let's get on with the first section. Thank you.